Do something, girl. Take some shots when you're open. And you gas home.
That's all good. That's sustained energy.
Go, Kylie! Shoot.
Go, Kylie! Again.
Go, got it. Take it out.
Again! Kylie!
Keep going.
Uh-oh.
Nice, back and forth, girls. Kylie, call for it.
Come on, girls. Do something.
You can't be offsides, Kai, go.
Wow!
What was that?
All right, Maya. Good job.
Hey, Kai.
Way to be there,
run.
Kai. Way to be there.
That makes them guard you and not her. Great job. Don't give up. Do it again. Boom.
Get her, Kylie.
Get
up, baby. Get up.
Stay with it.
Get away from her, Kai. Get away from her.
There you go!
Run.
That's
Go, Maya.
Nice
Go,
push.
Maya.
Pull.
Are you kidding me?
Get on the side, Kai. Get on the side. All right, now wait.
Get it.
Handball. That's a penalty shot, girls. That's a direct back here.
Take it from right there now.
That's a direct back here. That's a half-court shot on a handball.
I think you're right.
It is.
Yeah. I've seen that.
Hey, that's a half-court shot on a handball. That is what looks like it.
I mean, that does no one any good right there. I mean, because you already know what's
The
going to
goal is
happen.
this big, the bills are this big.
I know. Yeah, it's just.
It should be a half-quarter.
Video. This is prone with disaster all over it.
It's still a half-court shot.
Okay, let's all set up here.
Get the rules out. Say this is wrong. Really wrong. How is it indirect too? Handball. It's a handball too, so it should be direct regardless.
Shouldn't be that.
What did I do?
Come on. Go, Maya.
Hey, break out the rule book. This is crazy.
You gotta get her, Ryan. You gotta get her. You gotta help in the back.
Nice!
Oh.
Keep it up there! Nice pass!
Come on. Go, Kylie. Go, Kylie. Go, Kylie.
Don't give up.
Get her, Kylie. Nice.
Go get it.
Clear it, baby. Clear it.
Hey, we need to check the rules. That was a penalty shot. And I just looked up and looked.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, girls. We need another goal. Let's go. Come on, Summer. I want to see one. That was Kylie's golden shot right there. Go deep. Oh, boy.
Oh, get her, Casey. Come on, Summer. Go, Summer.
Get him a goal.
Oh, nice try, Summer. A little harder, baby.
Hey, Riley, get that sucker. Shoot it. Make a run, Summer. Make a run. Move around.
Uh-oh.
Nice job, Summer. There you go.
Shoot it towards the goal.
Oh, nice.
Out of nowhere. I think we're going to pass. No. Stop them all out. Cut it. Huh? Head ball.
Oh, there.
Okay.
Oh, that's right. Oh, yeah, mine made that one.
Just filming.
Oh, what was that with the ball? Come on, Casey.
There you go, Casey.
Oh,
Good
no.
hustle. It's okay, Rob. Good hustle,
Did she put her hands up?
Yeah.
You can't put your hands up.
Second handball, though, Rob. So you know. Come on, Kai. Put it on.
Take it
Move.
in.
Put one in.
Oh, wait, wait. Go, girl.
Go!
Good hustle. Good try.
Good job, girls.
Mark up! Mark up over here, Em! Go get it, Lily!
Stop it.
Nope, behind.
Nice.
I should have let it go in. She was behind.
That was awesome.
Lily, go up! Go up! Keep going! Keep going! Up more!
Hey, girls, clear it and run after it.
Wait,
They got no defenders. Clear it, run after it. Hey, Kai, if you get it, clear it and run. They got no defense.
Lily, go up! Maya, watch the back door! Oh!
That's
Good
all.
hustle! Good try.
The goalkeeper, what's over there? Get on the circle, right?
Go up, Avery, go up! That's it! Oh!
Go, Casey.
That's it.
Go, Maya.
Grab it, girls. Come on, quick, quick.
Go, Casey. Go, Casey. This is ours. Oh, baby.
Oh, you got time, girl. Settle that down. Settle that down. Bring it back in.
Come on, girls.
Maya, watch it, get out there.
Get it.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Good work, girls. Good work,
How
girls.
much time? Keith?
Yes.
Yay!
Referee the rules.
Good job.
Good try. All right, that was all the rain for today, right? Everybody? That's all the rain? That's it?
What was the score?
4-2, I think.
Slide kick.